This should be the easiest thing of all time. If it fails, then I will not be surprised. I already pre-drilled holes in here, so this should be really easy. Okay, in its defense, maybe it's not the drill's fault. Let's try a proper drill with American quality control. Okay. I didn't think it would be that easy. Try a smaller screw and try it from... Well, you know what? Let's see if it can get that one out. Shouldn't be that hard, right? Let's see. Again, maybe it's... Oops, I was looking at the camera. So I'm not sure what this can actually do, because it can't drill, it can't screw in a screw, and it's a screwdriver. Maybe if you pre-drill like the hole way too big. I like how they put right and left on here, even though when you turn it around, now they're backwards. So whichever way was correct is not correct if you... Is it supposed to be that? Stuff doesn't cost anything to the Chinese, but making a quality product is very difficult. So instead of just making a good product, they just throw in a bunch of extra crap to increase the likelihood that you'll buy it.